Welcome back to episode 2 of the Nissan Navara build here at Limited Bash Customs. So in front of me I have the new head, I have the old head. We've gone with an exchange situation, basically because we're on a limited time frame at the moment for this particular job. And this here is basically the quickest and easiest way to go. We could have sent this away, get it checked out and all done up. However, there's a bit of a turnaround time for that. And it's possible we would have ended up needing a new head anyway, so we've just gone straight with that. So I'm going to finish packaging that up so it can be sent back, and then we will finish prepping this new head. We've got to fit new exhaust and intake studs and a couple of other bits, at which point we'll be able to bolt it onto our engine. I've already done the prep work there, so that's all good. That part, just finished getting this ready. So what we have here is all the new studs that we need, such as these here exhaust studs, a couple for the intake and a few for like coolant and EGR type locations. So we're just going to go through and fit all these. So my main camera ran out of space on the cards because I'd been a bit lazy lately and hadn't dumped any of the stuff that I'd been taking photos or filming off. So basically where we're up to is I have the head on and tension down. And I've also, what I'll show you here is we've got all the parts cleaned out of the ultrasonic cleaner. I didn't really get much of a before shot, unfortunately, so I can't show you what condition it was like beforehand. So what we have here is a bunch of the parts off the motor, so some intake parts, EGR, coolant pipes, a few bits like that, and we're going to be dumping them in the ultrasonic bath to give them a clean before we fit them back onto the vehicle. Crank that up. So that'll take about half hour. We've already done the intake manifold, and so while that's happening, we'll go clean up the rest of the bits. As you can see, it's all come up looking pretty bloody good. This here manifold was certainly the worst part. All inside there was just gunked up. You can still see that little bit, but you know, it was a good coming close to like 10 mil deep of just crap and grunge, and now it's all nice and shiny looking, ready to go back on. But seeing as this is kind of, yeah, I've run out of card space and all the rest, it's also, you know, quite late in the day. I think it's about 5 o'clock now, so we're going to call it, making this one probably a pretty short episode, but we will be back to it once we've got some cameras rolling and a bit more time. So a good day's worth of work. It's a good day's worth of work complete. One step closer. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That way you won't miss out on any of the upcoming episodes and more on what happens with the Navara. Bye.